Welcome to the picturesque Swiss village of Brienz, nestled on the shores of Lake Brienz in the heart of the Bernese Oberland region. Explore a charming village where traditional Swiss chalets, the lush green hillsides, surrounded by snow-capped mountains and crystal-clear waters. Wander through the cobblestone streets of the village center, where you'll find historic buildings adorned with colorful flower boxes and cozy cafes serving homemade pastries and Swiss chocolate. Discover the rich cultural heritage of Brienz at the Swiss Woodcarving Museum, where you can learn about the centuries-old tradition of wood carving in the region and admire intricate carvings and sculptures crafted by local artisans. Visit the Brienz-Rothorn Railway, one of the oldest steam cogwheel railways in Switzerland, for a scenic ride to the summit of the Brienz-Rothorn mountain, where you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the surrounding Alps. Explore the natural beauty of the area with a leisurely boat cruise on Lake Brienz, where you can admire stunning vistas of the mountains reflected in the shimmering waters. Take a hike along scenic trails that wind their way through forests, meadows, and alpine pastures, offering panoramic views of the lake and surrounding countryside. In winter, hit the slopes at nearby ski resorts such as Axalp and Meiringen-Hasselberg, where you can enjoy skiing, snowboarding, and other winter sports against the backdrop of the majestic Swiss Alps. Whether you're exploring historic landmarks, sampling local cuisine at a traditional Swiss restaurant, or simply soaking in the natural beauty of the Swiss countryside, Brienz offers a perfect blend of alpine charm, outdoor adventure, and cultural discovery for travelers seeking an authentic Swiss experience.